Guys, so I went shopping again yesterday and I bought quite a few makeup products again that I wanted to show you and go through with you. So the first place that I went to was Primark because I am very much falling in love with Primark makeup at the moment, and they just keep bringing out new collections like all the time at the moment, and it's actually really exciting. But the first product that I wanted to show, it is the My Perfect Colour Moisturising Foundation Stick. This was the foundation stick that I've been trying to get for a while but haven't been able to because they haven't done it in my shade, and this one is nude beige. It was £2.50, but a lot of other video vloggers rave about it, and for only £2.50 that you can't really go wrong, so I'm actually quite stoked to use that one. Next thing I got was another lip kit. If you've watched some of my previous videos, you know that I love the Primark lip kits. This one is from the Nudes collection and it is Hypnotize. So it's actually really nice. It's actually like a high shine lip gloss one rather than a matte. Usually I go for the matte ones, as I'm sure you know I love my matte lipsticks. Anywho, I got a new beauty blender, and the only reason I got it was because it's in the shape of a unicorn horn and it's glittery. So I don't even know if I want to use it. I might just keep it in the packaging. This was £1.50. Anyway, if you do go to Primark, just get one. Just get it. I also, from the Glitter Junkie collection, I haven't actually seen that collection before, and the Primark that I went to had it in there, and I actually got some face glue. So pretty much just to help put glitter on, but the one thing I actually forgot to get because I'm an idiot was glitter. So that'll be on my next list, and it was £1. Last but not least, from Primark, I haven't seen these before, but I love my special effects makeup and doing things like with that kind of makeup anyway, so when I saw this I kind of did get a bit excited. But it's body paint, and it's also from the Glitter Junkie collection, and it's a metallic body paint, which I cannot wait to use that, and that was only £1.50. Glisten, that one is. It's like a mauve kind of colour. I also took a trip to another Tkmaxx, and I thought I'd go check it out and see what they've got in that one, in a different one, and I wasn't blown away again. I'm just not very good at finding the right times to go to Tkmaxx to try and find all the great offers, and like when they bring in the new stock. I found a MAC lipstick there, which I was so surprised. I have never seen MAC there before, and it was from £17.50 down to £12.99, I think it was. I didn't get it because it was still a bit pricey, and I did have my eye on some other stuff there. And there was a lot of Makeup Forever stuff there, as usual. There's always those with Makeup Forever stuff. I had also previously just left Superdrug, and I was going to get myself some Ardell lashes, some wispies, and I was actually looking for some Ardell individual lashes, and they just didn't have any there, which I was quite gutted about because I quite like the individual lashes. And lo and behold, I head into Tkmaxx, and bam! I only went and got some wispies, which were $3.99 from $5.49, and some individual lashes, which were also $3.99 down from $5.49. So I was really chuffed with those, not gonna lie. From my previous video, which I headed to Tkmaxx, I got myself a new EOS. I love the EOS lip balms. I think they're great, and I just love how the applicator and how you apply them. The last one I got was a peppermint flavour, which I was stoked about. Anyway, I left it in my car and it was really hot, and it melted into the lid. So I was really annoyed about that one. It is currently in my fridge until I can actually be bothered to scoop it back in and see what I can do with it, but I think it's pretty much ruined. Anyway, they did have another peppermint one in this Tkmaxx, but I thought I'd go for a different flavour just in case I can fix this one. Anyway, the one that I went for was the coconut milk one. I love the smell of coconut and just the taste of coconut, anything coconut. So I'm quite excited about this one. Original price was £6.50 and I got it for £3.99. I also headed to Debenhams. I was actually shopping with my mum, and my mum wanted to go into Debenhams, and I thought, why the hell not? I'm not going to say no to a Debenhams trip. I was looking at the Urban Decay makeup and was just mooching about there, and I came across they had a lot of the setting sprays had like an offer on at them, so I managed to get myself a Urban Decay, and it's the long lasting makeup setting spray. This was £7.50 down from £10. It's only the 30ml one, so it's not the full size one, but Urban Decay is supposed to be one of the best setting sprays from what I've heard and what I've been told. So I've never used it before, so I'm quite excited to use this. So I'll use this next time I'm on a night out, because I'm sure it will be special occasions setting spray. So I was quite stoked about that one. Superdrug, I headed in and I finally got myself a Makeup Revolution Retro Luxe matte lip kit, because everybody raves about them and I've actually never had one before, surprisingly. This one anyway, I found this, it was recommended on Influencer app that I'm on, and it was trying to find like a Kylie lip dupe for the, I think it's the Cocoa K, sure, or is it just the Cocoa? Oh, I don't remember. Anyway, and this was recommended as it, so I'm quite excited to try it. This is the shade Rain, so I'm actually going to try this on camera with you guys now. That's the lip colour. Oh my god, why do they make makeup so hard to get into? Oh my god. I couldn't find my lip scrub anywhere. I don't know what I've done with it. Usually I'll put a lip scrub on and then I'll put a tiny bit of this, which is just oh, that needs to go in the fridge. Coconut oil, anyway. Just like moisturizes the lips up a little bit. It's actually a lot brighter than I was expecting. It's kind of a bit peachy. It goes on so smoothly. Ooh, okay. It's really creamy. It's a lot brighter than I was expecting it to be. Ooh. I wasn't sure whether or not to put another coat on. But, what do you guys think? Anyway, I quite like it. It's really nice. I haven't got a lip colour like this colour. To be honest, I don't think it would be one that I would go for, because I don't really like to go too bright on the lips. I'm such a dark lipstick kind of girl. But this looks so like natural, like smooth. It looks, it's a really nice nude colour as well. This is what I found the other day. I bought these in the sale, the Boots sale at Christmas time. I think they were half price, I can't remember now. They're Benefit, and they're like these little like gift sets that you could buy around Christmas time. Anyway, I bought them in the sale, chuffed to bits of them because I managed to get, I had a full size roller lash mascara in it, which apparently is the only thing I've used out of them, and then they've just been on my windowsill and I haven't thought twice about them. So I've really been wanting the California like blusher, and the other day I got my these little, I spotted them in the window and for some reason realised that I think there was still stuff in them. Opened them up and I found these like amazing little treats. And I can't believe it, but anyway, I got a little mini California Dream blusher, which I cannot wait to try that one. And I also got the Rocketeer. Let's see the colour of that one. You can see that. Yeah, so I also got the Rocketeer as well. They're only like the mini ones, but I don't care. I've got them and I'm chuffed with that. Let me open. That's the California one. California Dream, I think it's called. Yeah, that's better. I've had them for 6 months. I'm an idiot. Anyway, also I did actually get a bit too excited over this one because I thought it was a brow pencil. Ooh. But it's not. Upside down. It's only the highbrow, so it's just like the highlighter. Still stoked about that one because it's a full size one. Also I found their real little travel size mascara and a little travel size professional, so I'm real chuffed with those actually. I will be putting those in a video. I do want to do another video this week. I'm going to try and do a like summer eyes. I had a poll on my Twitter, which is at Holly_makeup, and that's Holly with an IE. I put a poll on there on whether or not to do like a summer eyes look or whether to do like a festival jewels, because I've got a lot of jewels around here which I just haven't used. Summer eyes look won the poll, so I will be doing that'll be my next video, but I just wanted to go through some of the new products that I bought. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you liked some of my buys, or if any of you have bought these before, let me know what you think, especially with the Urban Decay setting spray, because I'm really excited to use that, but I know I won't be using it for a bit yet. So give the video a thumbs up, big thumbs up please, and subscribe to my channel because that's the most important thing. And if you are enjoying it, then spread the word and get your friends and family and anybody to subscribe to my channel. If you do have any requests on any videos that you would like to see, then just comment down below and follow me on my Instagram, which is at Holly with an IE .rutter, RUTTER, and my Twitter, which is at Holly_makeup. And I'll catch you on the flip side. Take care.